Good morning, all. My name is Harshit Sisodia and I am from Purnima Institute of Engineering Technology, Jaipur.
Today I will be showing you my second assignment as a part of Skyfi Labs workshop. In this video, I will be showing you an analysis and the design for a seismic resistance building, which is carried out by two processes. In this structure, I have defined the various materials properties as well as section properties. After defining the material and section properties, I have carried out the seismic analysis by two methods, that is response factor method and time ministry analysis method, after which we can study the design of the various members of the G plus 23 story structure. So here right now we will carry out with analysis of the seismic resistance structure using response factor method. So here you can using response factor method. The time ministry analysis for the structure after the response factor method. In the same video I am showing you the analysis and the design of the structure seismic resistance building by time ministry method. Here once again, after unlocking the model, I am running the analysis for the same. Here the analysis is being carried out. You can see after the analysis the displacement value of the different joints can be observed after clicking at each of the joint. Here the analysis process can be seen at the right hand side of the bottom of the second window. After the analysis, we can carry out the design check for the different section of the design of the beam and the column. If you can see the displacement as I mentioned earlier, you can go through the design design concrete frame design start design check with will carry out the design of all the different section properties, beams as well as columns. After the design is complete, we can verify the O1. So here you can see I am running the analysis for the G plus 23 story structure after defining all the properties, material as well as section properties, and using the auto select option. Here you can see the creating analysis model and the analysis process is going on. The status of analysis can be viewed under the right hand side bottom of the second window. The analysis of the structure may require some time as it is a G plus 23 story structure. After the analysis, we carried out the design of the of the some of the verifying all the members are passing the recent check or not. Further, if any member is not passing the designing check, we change the property of the member using the auto select option and once again run the design analysis for the same, after which the member are likely to pass the design check. Here as you can see the analysis as processed to 100 percentage, and after the analysis the displacement of the various joints can be observed. You can click any of the joint to check out the various displacement values, as well as you can see the story replacement story response plot. After the clicking in the display in option, you can also view the deformation shape of the structure, that is the for the seismic case only. The response factor case also, well, you can see the deformation shape of the structure, that is shear force and any of the member as well as bending moment diagram. Now I will carry out the after the design is completed, we can verify our design is properly passed or not. For that, we can go to concrete frame design, start design check. The design check will be carried out for all the beam section as well as the column section. After that, we can see the options of whether all the members passed the design check or not. For that, we can go past. Here we get message as the concrete frame passed the design check, that member have correctly analyzed a design to design a G plus 23 story building. We can also view the different types of longitudinal reinforcement for any of the member. We can click on the beam, right click, and then we get the design report in which you can view the concrete design. Similarly, we can view the shear force and bending moment diagram for selecting the different axes for any of the member. Thank you.